Was the arms. How do I take an arm up or out? I bring it in, caress the side of my face, I can see the elbow. I then start to take it up. I place the hand out, create a little bit of a shape. We had 3 options for that. And then I'm placing my wrist outwards, and there's a very, very slight bend in my elbow that I can see for nice styling. However, the safe option that we said, which doesn't look nice but is completely safe, is this straight arm with the elbow tucked in. However, it does raise your shoulder up. So I'm still trying to push my shoulder down, keep this where it's safe in my space so my partner can't hit me, and then I'm going to create a little bit of a line with the fingers. Now we said about the fingertips, completely optional, but as long as you create some kind of a space rather than just big displayed hands. So we said about a credit card. Imagine I'm holding a credit card. I might imagine I'm holding an egg. Or I might imagine that I'm just rotating my fingers and gently placing them through and rotating. I like to say that I'm picking an apple off the top of the tree, something like that, but I place my palms down. If you want to bring both hands up, we've gone one, we've gone the other, but when we bring both up at the same time, elbows are in front, I push the shoulders down, and I generally go back to back with the hands, or a slight cross, or one hand over the other, depends on what you prefer. But there's a very, very slight a diamond shape in the arms there, rather than being up here. That's not a good look, unless you're really cold. And you want to keep your ears warm. So a little bit here, a little bit of a diamond shape and here, but not there, okay? We don't want that. And we committed straight away to the move, straight up, one count, it was straight up, no messing about in the middle. Now, sideways extension. So we said about placing the arm, watching the elbow. I'm taking it from the center of my chest, no lower, and I'm going out. Wrist is going out, and I'm placing the fingertips down. Very, very slight bend here, or fully extended, it doesn't matter, depends on the space that you've got. We wouldn't normally have that much space in salsa to do that, depends on the dance you're doing, but my elbow's safe, it's down. So I'm going from here, across, and then out. Extra oomph is when I look here and then I follow it with my head. Okay, so I create another dynamic by looking, taking it right across from my shoulder, right across, and then I place it out. If I have time, depending on what I'm doing. Right, then the bits that we did, the actual routine.